To record traffic from a specific campaign or source, you can add tracking parameters. This is ideal for measuring the campaign's effectiveness. The tracking code parameter can have up to 500 different values. Therefore, you should use this option to record traffic from a certain campaign or source. Let's take a look at how it's done. After you've generated a shareable link, click Dynamic Parameters. Select Tracking Code and then enter your parameter value. In this example, let's use My Affiliate Blog. Just make sure to use underscores between words. To copy the link after you click out once, click the Copy to Clipboard icon. Now, if you'd like to pass any extra information, for example, tracking individual pages within your blog, you might want to consider adding an AFP, or Affiliate Parameter. You can add up to 10 different parameters onto your tracking link, and there's no limit to the number of values passed by the different AFPs. To add an AFP parameter, generate a shareable link and click Dynamic Parameters. Select AFP and then enter your parameter value. In this example, let's use DIY page. Just a quick note, we suggest you don't modify the link after you generate it with our tools simply because we can't guarantee that the link will work properly if modified. And that's it. Happy tracking!